So what is electron gain enthalpy? So topic is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. Addition of an electron to the neutral gaseous atom and it convert into negative ion required enthalpy is known as electron gain enthalpy. Simple. Addition of an electron to the neutral gaseous atom and neutral gaseous atom will convert into negative ion. For that, the change of enthalpy is known as electron gain enthalpy. Suppose X is neutral gaseous atom will get one electron and will convert into negative ion. That addition of electron to the neutral atom and convert into negative ion, enthalpy required is known as electron gain enthalpy. For this, reaction may be endothermic or reaction may be exothermic. Generally, accepting of electron, when an element is accepting the electron, energy is released. So electron gain enthalpy is more electronegative, or electron gain enthalpy is more negative. Otherwise, if element having not nature to gain the electron, then it will not accept the electron. If it will not accept the electron, then we must give the energy to accept the electron. So it is endothermic. Generally, halogen element, group 17. Suppose we are having fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This fluorine will get one electron and fluoride ion will become, means its electronic configuration is as equal to neon, means it is generally wished to get electron. So it is having more electron negative enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy is more negative because it's generally accepting electron. While we discuss about noble gas, helium, neon, argon, these are very stable. Nature of noble gas is not releasing electron or not getting electron. So if helium will get one electron, so electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s1. Because helium will get one electron, helium having two electron. If it will get one electron, then helium having 3 electron, so another electron will fill in the next quantum number. If we are discussing about neon, neon having the total electron 10, if neon will get one electron, then neon will having total electron 11. That is not possible because neon having electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. This is 10 electron. 11th electron will be filled in 3s1. So it will become unstable, and accepting nature of noble gas is not. So noble gas having positive electron gain enthalpy. If an element don't want to get electron, nature of element is not getting electron, then it is positive electron gain enthalpy. And if electron is easily entered to the neutral element, means nature of element is getting electron, then it is high negative electron gain enthalpy. So halogen group having highest electron gain, negative electron gain enthalpy, while noble gas having highest positive electron gain enthalpy. Now, as we go left to right, suppose this is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. As we go left to right, size decrease. If size decrease, then the attraction force to electron to the effective nucleus increase. It means nature of electron gain is increased. If nature of electron gain is increased, then electron gaining enthalpy will become high negativity. Means electron gain enthalpy negative increasing. Means this having less electron gain negative enthalpy, beryllium having high electron gain negative enthalpy than lithium, boron having high electron gain negative enthalpy than beryllium, carbon having high electron gain negative enthalpy than boron, like that. Because size decrease, then attraction to the nucleus of electron will increase. It means electron gaining nature is increased. If electron gaining nature is increased, then the negative value will increase. Simply, you try to keep in your mind, element can easily get the electron, then electron gain enthalpy is very negative, highest negative. So why halogen group having highest electron gain enthalpy value negative is high? Why? Because fluorine will get easily electron. Chlorine will get easily electron because when it get electron, it has the electronic configuration like noble gas and stability increase. So it has highest negative electron gain enthalpy. Suppose we are discussing about beryllium. So beryllium having 4 electron. Ready? So electron will enter. This is the 4 electron, means 1s2, 2s2. And if beryllium will become negative, then electronic configuration here will be 5 electron. This beryllium having 4 electron, beryllium negative having 5 electron. So electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2 and 2px1. It means the electron is entered in higher energy level P. So beryllium negative is not stable because it is new electron is entered in higher energy level P orbital. So beryllium having high electronegativity, beryllium negative having less negative electronegativity, means beryllium having negativity will high than beryllium negative, because beryllium negative is not stable. So this is explanation that we are going to discuss. Now we are going to discuss about group element. So as we know that suppose This is the group lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Here is the group. Suppose we are having fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. So as we go down to the group, size increase. Size increase means attraction to nucleus of electron is decreased. Attraction to electron to nucleus is decreased means nature of getting electron decrease. Nature of getting electron decrease means the electron negativity will decrease. If it is not easily getting electron, then electron negativity will decrease. If it is easily get electron, then electron negativity will high. Very, very interesting explanation. Match my words to your textbook. So suppose we are going to discuss fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Then fluorine having this size, chlorine having this size, bromine having this size, iodine having this size. It means what? The size increase, then attraction to electron to nucleus is decreased. It means the electron negativity will decrease. Electron gain negative enthalpy will decrease. Electron negativity need, but electron gain negative enthalpy value will decrease. So as we go down to the group, attraction to electron to the nucleus is decreased. It means enthalpy will not release, less release, then electron gain negativity enthalpy will decrease. Now we are having one confusion. If we are going to discuss that the oxygen and fluorine, here the group of oxygen is sulfur and group of fluorine is chlorine. So oxygen and fluorine are in the same period. So as we go down to the group, fluorine will easily get electron than oxygen. So fluorine is higher electron gain negative enthalpy than oxygen. So fluorine having high electron gain negative enthalpy than oxygen. As we go down to the group, size increase. Size increase means the electron cannot easily enter to the orbital. So oxygen having the high electron negative enthalpy than sulfur. So we are having one twist. Fluorine having the less size, chlorine having the high size. Right? So here what will happen? Fluorine having the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p x2, 2p y2 and 2p z1. Chlorine having electronic configuration neon 10, 3s2 and 3p5. 3p5. Right? So entering electron in chlorine is third orbital, entering electron in fluorine in second orbital. It means here is the very high repulsion between electron. Here quantum number increase, then repulsion decrease. If repulsion decrease, then electron can easily enter. So fluorine having less electronegative enthalpy than the chlorine. Otherwise, generally, chlorine having less electronegative gain enthalpy than fluorine, but in chlorine, electron can easily enter because electron is entering in third orbital, while in fluorine electron is entering in second orbital. In second orbital, electron repulsion is very high, so electron cannot easily enter, while in chlorine electron repulsion is very less, so electron can easily enter, means chlorine having high electronegative enthalpy than fluorine. Kindly repeat my